What the fuck is she doing? It is Wednesday, my dudes. So today I took my GRE and I didn't do so good. In fact, I did exactly the same as I did last year, which means I did really bad.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Last night I told myself that after I finished the GRE, I was gonna make myself some chocolate chip cookies to make myself feel a little bit better about spending all this time studying for an exam and then hopefully doing like good on it. Except the good part no longer applies, and these are just sad chocolate chip cookies. Frick, she is a speed racer today. Oh my god, what you doing, girly? She like, I know that camera filming. Beans. Oh my god, I didn't get eggs. I told myself I needed to get more eggs. So I'm not gonna treat this like a informational video. All you gotta do is follow what's on the back of the Nestle Toll House chocolate chips. That's all I do, but I've made them so many times in my life that I know it by heart now. So that's either a little bit sad and worrisome, or now that we're gonna be back there for like 3 seconds, maybe I should change the focus. Yeah, okay, alright. So we're gonna put the 2 sticks of butter in. Also, if you're a part of my family, you know that we have this, like, we don't really call it anything, but I'm gonna call it the mixer dance. Which basically is however fast the mixer is going is how fast your hips are going. So, you know what I'm saying? My dog, you can see her. Hello. Oh, I didn't say how much you needed this. Oh my god, I didn't preheat the oven! Alright, vanilla.
Alright.
I guess I can start the dry ingredients now. I need this. You better stop! So now you need 2 1/4 cup of flouby. I don't know why I called it like that, but okay. That's not right. That's not correct. And then a 4. That looks like a 4. That looks like 2 1/4. God, I hope that's 2 1/4. Oh my god. You know what? Just believe in yourself. So now we need a teaspoon of baking soda and salt. And now we mix it. So now we need 2 eggs. You also have to mix them one at a time. Oh my god. What is that song called? Oh my god. Alexa, play OMG by Snoop Dogg.
OMG radio edited by Snoop Dogg from Spotify.
Also, I would like to inform you all that my addiction is back. I've relapsed. Oh my god. Ooh. Chocolate chips! I like an obscene amount of chocolate chips in my cookies. It looks good. Now we gonna wash our hands again. Also, I like my cookies to be obscenely big. Oh, you can't see. Frick! God, I'm struggling. Okay, so now we're gonna put these in the oven for like 13 minutes. 13, why? I don't know. And now we wait.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like,
any of you understand that reference, I will love you forever. So the cookies are done. So these are the cookies. See how like, I don't want, like they're stuck to the pan, it'll be fine. I really kind of don't want one right now though, but I will try a bite.
He needs some milk.
Okay. Ready? A one, a two, a skeleton. Not even gonna lie, these cookies are like perfect. They're like really soft on the inside, and then like they've got a crunch on the outside, and oh my god, they're so good. That's it. I was about to say that's all I have for you guys, but I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video of me just doing everyday normal things that I enjoy. I don't make cookies every day. I don't know why I said it like that. But with that being said, I'ma go. I will see you guys next time. Yeah. Okay. Bye.